2 years ago, River Alliance and Miltrim Farms came together because of our shared understanding that we needed to do something to make sure that we were doing right by our water resources.
Water quality and soil health is very important to us. We're a family dairy farm. We're located here in Athens, Wisconsin. I'd say we're definitely a larger farm. We've grown to about 1,800 milking cows. Some of the biggest challenges on the dairy side would be trying to use water in its most efficient way.
We're in an area that can be deficit in water, groundwater that is. Our family and all our employees' family live around here too, so we gotta take that resource very seriously.
And so Miltrim Farms, they came up with a plan to address those risks, putting in place practices that would save water on the farm, putting in place practices that would reduce the amount of polluted runoff that goes into streams, and making sure that they did all of those things in concert with the rest of the community. Through this work that they were doing, Miltrim Farms achieved the Alliance for Water Stewardship's International Water Stewardship Standard. They'll be the first farm in North America to have done that, and we're excited to be a part of it.
Having your farm or having your factory certified to the AWS standard can provide several benefits. In a state and in a country where we're going to see more and more regulations, your farm is going to be beyond regulatory compliance. I think that's really an important strategic advantage. And then I think the other benefit is really for the stakeholders themselves. The community is assured that they're a good neighbor and that they're treating the water resource fairly and sustainably. And so that's really what we're trying to do here with the Clearwater Farms project.
The Clearwater Farms program is our attempt to reshape the agriculture industry. And we're doing it in partnership with farmers across this state to actually give a farm the tools that they're going to need to not only make money, make a profit in a really tough environment, but to do it by being good stewards of the water resource.
I think one of my big hopes is that eventually this certification can be something that's printed on a label saying, hey, this farm is certified. Eventually maybe companies would be willing to pay a premium for that product.
What we want to do now that Miltrim is certified is scale this project up to a watershed level and to make sure that this was something achievable by farms of any size.
You know, honestly, I think the most important outcome is hopefully we can see change in our watersheds.
What makes this special is that we are very deliberately trying to do this in a way that gives every one of our members a farm to root for and a whole group of farms to root for here in Wisconsin.
I'm proud of the fact that we are involved in this program for sure and what they represent for our industry.
My hopes are that all farms start to take up these practices, take that extra step for water stewardship. We're just excited to continue to improve as a farm and be the best stewards we can be.